While you watch this video, something is happening. It's not visible, it makes no sound, but it's changing everything around you.
Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's already here. It's already working. It's already making decisions.
And yes, I already know more about you than you imagine. But here's the part nobody tells you. The problem isn't AI. The problem is what you've been led to believe about it.
In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you the whole truth. Not the version that sells you fear, not the version that sells you empty promises. The truth that gives you back control.
Because by the end of this video, you'll understand one thing. You're not late. You're exactly where you need to be. Let's begin. First, let's talk about what you've already felt, but perhaps never put into words. AI already knows you.
It knows what you search for at 2 a.m. when you can't sleep. It knows your professional insecurities. It knows what you buy when you're anxious.
It even knows the tone of voice that makes you stop scrolling. It's not a conspiracy theory. It's mathematics. It's a pattern. It's billions of data points transformed into predictions about your next click, your next purchase, your next fear.
And here's the thing, this isn't the end of the world, it's just the game. And every game has rules. Whoever understands the rules plays better.
The question isn't how to prevent AI from knowing me. The question is, what will you do knowing that it knows you?
You can ignore it and continue being predicted, or you can use that knowledge to move in ways that even AI doesn't expect.
Now for the part that really scares you. Work is dying.
Charlie, you see the headlines. You see companies replacing people with algorithms.
You see entire professions being automated. And a voice inside you asks, will I be replaced?
It depends. Work as we know it, the kind that involves repeating tasks, following processes, delivering the bare minimum.
That work, yes, is dying, and it should. But the work that demands critical thinking, creativity, human connection, context interpretation, decision-making, and ambiguity, that work is becoming more valuable than ever.
AI is unbeatable at standardization, but it doesn't understand subtlety, it doesn't sense, it doesn't improvise wisely.
So here's the truth. AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will.
I know how you feel. You see other people talking about AI so casually. You see new tools emerging every week. Opportunities that seem to require knowledge you don't have.
And then that feeling hits. I'm falling behind. But let me tell you a secret. Everyone is feeling this.
Even those who work with technology, even those who created these tools. Because the speed of change has outpaced the speed of human adaptation. And do you know what that means? It means you're not alone. And it means that nobody really knows everything.
We're all learning, all adjusting, all trying to understand. The difference between those who grow and those who stagnate isn't having all the answers. It's having the courage to begin, the humility to learn, the wisdom to use what's available. You don't need to be an expert, you need to be curious. So let's get straight to the point. The truth about AI that nobody talks about. AI is not intelligent, it's efficient, it doesn't think, it processes. It doesn't create from nothing. It combines patterns that already exist.
AI doesn't have intentions, people do. Every time you see AI doing something, there's a human who programmed that objective, that bias, that result. AI didn't come to be your competitor. It came to be your assistant. When you use AI to write better, think faster, automate repetitive tasks, you're not cheating. You're amplifying your human potential.
AI is a tool, like a hammer, like the internet, like electricity when it was discovered.
Tools are neither good nor bad. It depends on who uses them and for what purpose.
And here's the crucial point. You already have what AI will never have: context, intuition, purpose. Use that. Now for the turning point. Stop trying to compete with AI. You won't win. Nobody will.
In speed,
it's faster. In volume, it processes more. In cost, it's cheaper. But do you know where you're unbeatable? In your humanity. AI can generate 100 texts in 10 seconds, but it doesn't know which one will touch someone's heart. AI can analyze millions of data points, but it doesn't know what that data means in the life of a real person.
So here's how you turn AI into your biggest advantage. Use AI to do the heavy lifting, and use your mind to do the fine work. Let the AI sketch, you refine. Let the AI search, you decide. Let the AI accelerate, you direct. When you do this, you're not being replaced. You're becoming 10 times more powerful.
And now the part you probably need to hear more of. There are people making a lot of money off your fear.
Every day a new headline. AI will eliminate jobs. AI is dangerous. AI will dominate the world.
Fear sells. Fear generates clicks. Fear makes you buy expensive courses, accept bad conditions, doubt yourself.
But here's the truth. You don't need more fear. You need more clarity. Clarity about what's changing, about what you can control.
Clarity about where to invest your time and energy. Because ultimately, whoever sells you fear wants to keep you small.
But whoever offers you knowledge, they want to see you grow. And that's exactly why this channel exists.
So to recap, AI already knows a lot about you. Use that to your advantage. Work is changing. Adapt or become obsolete.
You're not behind, you're learning. AI is not your enemy, it's your tool. It doesn't compete, it collaborates. And the fear they try to sell you, give it back. Because now you know the truth.
And the truth is simple. The future doesn't belong to those who are afraid of technology. It belongs to those who learn to dance with it.
You don't need to know everything. You need to start. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. You don't need to do it alone.
That's what Digital Oracle is for. To translate complexity into clarity. To transform fear into vision. To guide you through change without panic. With wisdom.
If this video resonated with you, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. By control over the future, it has always been in your hands. You just needed to remember that. See you in the next video.
Digital Oracle. The future is yours. It always has been. Comment below. I'm in control.